Today we'll see how to make the grasshopper the healthy way. In this case, instead of the white cacao, I will use the white chocolate powder, protein powder. And then we'll put, instead of the mint liqueur, we put 8 leaves, fresh mint leaves. And instead of the cream, we put some milk, cold milk. There you go, guys, a very nice green color, very similar, look alike, but instead of liqueur we put only healthy elements. Now this green grasshopper color, at the end, if you want, you can put this decoration if you're not going to drink it on the spot. There you go, you can put it in the middle. And here we go, I'll show you. Look at this. This amazing grasshopper ready to drink. Let's make a try to my best friend. It smells fresh. I like the sound of the foam, sparkling foam. Very nice. It's creamy. And the mint spots, can't even feel it because you need to blend it very well. So there is no little bit of mint inside, and it's so delicious. And this is a good post drink. You can have enjoy it. And now, listen to what a grasshopper does as a sound, 800% slowly. It's just amazing.